What's up guys, welcome to the video. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today we are gonna have some fun. We are back on the cheat day hype. I haven't done a cheat day in well over a month, probably like 2 months. Actually, don't quote me on that, I'm not too sure, but I haven't done one in a long time. I've had a couple like cheat meals here and there, but I haven't splurged for the whole day. So, as it's the weekend, it has been a very long week and me and Hannah are gonna get a takeaway this evening. So I thought, you know what, let's have some fun. I'm gonna do a cheat day for the whole day. I'm gonna eat basically whatever I want. I'm not gonna be absolutely ridiculous about the calories, but I'm just gonna get rid of some cravings, eat kind of like intuitively with my cheat meals. So whatever I've got on my mind, I am going to consume. I'm also going to use it as like a little reset for my diet. My training and diet since I've got back from Italy has been like spot on. Been smashing the gym. Diet has probably been like 90% clean. The diet has been pretty good, but like I said, I'm going to use today as a reset, and then tomorrow back on the diet, cleaning the physique up, getting back on track. I like to like implement these like once a month. Let's not hold back. The time is now 10 minutes to 9 and we need to get this day started, start getting some food into my system. I'm very hungry. If you haven't, please go down and hit that subscribe button to start this cheat day off. We have gone for something extremely random. It has been on my mind. I know I just said I'm going to eat intuitively, but this is something that I wanted to consume. Pancakes are going to be the first meal that I'm going to consume today. Also, it would not be a cheat day on my channel without getting some hazelnut pain au chocolats from Co-op. They were fresh this morning. She literally put them out as I got in the shop, so I couldn't turn those down. So, time to mix up some pancake batter and get this day started. The first time for everything here, because I have never in my whole 26 years flipped a pancake. So you guys are going to be the first to witness this. I have no idea how you do it. No! Oh my god. Come on. Do you have to give it a bit of... Easy! What are you saying? Hannah just flipped my first ever pancake. Nutella, oh smash that. Not gonna lie, that was incredibly stressful for breakfast, but pancakes are made. We've got 2 pancakes, 1 Co-op pain au chocolat, if you know, you know. 20 grams in each of the Nutella, essentially, and 20 grams of Biscoff spread in both of these pancakes. Let's give you a quick bite of this. Oh, right, that is thick. Don't know if you can see that. Oozing. Wow. There should be multiple pancake days throughout the year. Calories on the screen for meal number 1. Pretty sure it was like over 1,000 calories for this meal. Comment down below as well what your favourite ingredients to put on a pancake is. I know a lot of people like lemon and sugar. I've never been a fan. I don't mind it, but I've never like chose to have lemon and sugar on a pancake. I might get absolutely rinsed in the comments, but Hannah wasn't happy because I didn't get any lemon. I wish you could taste what I'm eating. Well, you can. Go make it. These pancakes are a 9.6 out of 10. In fact, I don't even know how they could be any better. They are phenomenal. Give myself a pat on the back for that. Wow. Right, let's vacate into the lounge because I'm going to catch up on yesterday's Lord of the Rings TV series, which is an absolute banger, by the way. They all are. This is also going to be today's leg session pre-workout fuel. So I should hit some PBs. Let's speed this up. As you can imagine, very sickly, but very good. It's gonna be a good day. Right, we have arrived outside of the gym, ready to go in and hit up today's leg session, fueled by pancakes and pain au chocolat. Time to put these calories to good use. Let's go in and smash some pins. Leg session done. A very good leg session today. The strength work felt great. I just built to a heavy 3 reps on the front squat, 140 kilos. I haven't lifted that heavy in a very long time, probably 6+ months, so probably could have gone a bit heavier, but that was fine for today. Just testing the water a little bit with the old pins, seeing what I can still do on the front squat. So yeah, good session. I had to pick up Hannah after from my hair appointment, and the traffic back home was horrendous. Literally took like an extra 35 minutes to get home, so it is now 37 minutes past 1, and I've had no food since this morning, and as it's a cheat day, I feel like I'm letting you guys down. I need to start getting some calories into my system. The Singapore Formula One qualifying starts in 25 minutes, so I want to get this cooked and ready so I can sit down and enjoy that and watch the qualifying. It wouldn't be a very good cheat day on this channel without a pizza. Yes, it is not Domino's or Pizza Hut, but we're getting a takeaway later, so I wanted to save a few pennies. We got the big 5-cheese pizza from Co-op. I've had this before and it's deceiving. It's very good. Big fan of just like plain cheesy mozzarella pizza, but today I'm adding some salami. Half the pack of this on top of the 5-cheese pizza. Also, as I was walking around the shop, randomly decided that I wanted a chocolate milkshake. That literally never happens, but I haven't had one for so long, and this one is a game changer. So good. What is it called? Chocolicious Belgian chocolate. Looks like that. Time to cook it up. Calories on the screen for this meal. Wow, it's better than I remembered. salami on there. And I still have a few slices to get through. As I put half the pack in my Fitness Pal, it means I have to eat half the pack. Yes, sir. Today's sauce of choice, peri mayo, ketchup. There we go. Sliced and diced sauce. Does look very greasy. Smells fantastic. The salami was a very good shout. Into the lounge. Qualifying. Pizza. What a good day. Pizza, cravings, done. To be honest, wasn't the best. I definitely prefer rustica. Is it rustica?
Yeah.
Thin-based pizzas. Oh, time to get my feet up. Let that food go down. This will be my view for the next hour. That's what you want to see. Charles Leclerc on pole. What a guy. Back in town. We have done the food shop. We have acquired the mirror to go up here, which I will put up in a second. But before I do that, I'm going to cheat on my cheat day with some fruit, some mango. My favourite. I was just craving it as we were walking around Tesco, so it is what it is. It's not a food challenge, and I wanted some refreshing fruit before I continue eating some very calorific food and save like the sweeter, worse stuff for later on in the day. Carton of mango. Not very exciting. Calories on the screen, but I just wanted to eat it anyway. While that's cold. While I take on the mirror on the wall. Boom. Job done. Looking good. Another thing ticked off the to-do list. We are at that awkward phase of when you've ordered your takeaway and you're waiting for it to come in now. I'm just catching up on the Lord of the Rings TV series that I started this morning and didn't get to finish, so Hannah's just popped out, so I'm going to quickly... Yeah, Hannah's just popped out, so I'm going to quickly finish this one. Look at these two. Yeah. They're like a swan. Yeah. Lord of the Rings, catch up, and I'll pick up when the food arrives. Well, after, I would say, 2 hours? Nah. It is now.
Nearly 2 hours, yeah. Nearly 2 hours, because you ordered it before
20 to 9, and we are absolutely starving. But the food has just arrived. It took an hour and 40, no, I ordered it before, hour and 50 minutes to get here. But we are extremely happy it has arrived. So, what have we got? We have gone for my favourite takeaway. This is my favourite, oh god, that's just favourite takeaway ever, period. Better than KFC, better than Chinese. Indian. Look at that. We have got korma, because Hannah loves korma.
You like
to be fair, I like it. It's just...
Don't pretend like it's all me.
It's not like the best option. So we've got chicken korma, we've got a chicken chili tikka masala, and then we've got 2 onion bhajis, a tray of rice, a tray and a quarter because I had some of Hannah's because she doesn't eat it all, and we have got half a garlic naan bread and 3 poppadoms. Oh my god. Calories for this meal. I don't want to talk anymore. I need to get stuck into this because it smells fantastic. Are we gonna watch the film?
Did we decide on one?
No.
Let's just watch this for a while.
Okay. Fair enough. Give you a quick bit of action because everyone loves watching me eat. We've got the tikka masala, chili tikka masala.
Oh yeah, that is spicy today, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm leafing.
Always got to get your poppadom. Dip it in the sauce, bit of rice. Man, this is the best part of today. Wow, this is better than going out any day. You having cat problems in there, love?
Yeah, it's pizza.
Right, I'm coming. Let's bring you in. Saturday night, Indian, and we've still got dessert to go.
You know, it just ended to some. You could call it warfare, really.
That was amazing. A timeout between now and dessert. Time is now 9 o'clock. Ideally, I'm gonna give myself half an hour to let this go down, and then we're gonna finish with a strong nightcap, which I'm also looking forward to. Goo hot puddings. They are essentially like brownies. If you haven't tried these, I do not know if they do them in America, but if you're from the UK, they are very tasty and they're not too big either. Like as a little treat, I still think they're like 400 calories each maybe. You put them in the microwave and they've got goo in the middle. You'll see in a sec. And to complement that, I've got some Häagen-Dazs, which I can never normally say. Häagen-Dazs selection, because I wanted 2 flavors, but I didn't want to get a full tub. So we have got salted caramel, vanilla caramel brownie, some deluge. What? Dolce de leche?
Dolce de leche.
What is that?
It's like a.
Dolce de leche.
It's like a. Have you not had it before? It's almost
Clearly
like
not.
melted chocolate, but it's more of like a creamy texture. They serve it with like churros and stuff in some places.
Right, okay, and a caramel biscuit, so basically a Biscoff biscuit.
Like your pronunciation.
Douche de leche.
Dolce de
Dolce de leche. I'm gonna have the Biscoff. It's not Biscoff, it's caramel biscuit. And I'm gonna have the douche de leche.
Dolce de leche. Why can't you say it?
Douche de leche. Douche de leche. Sounds delish. Tonight's cap to finish off. Calories on the screen for this meal. Do you want me to make yours first and then I can?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
I'm pretty sure that has just.
Here we go then. Look at all the goo. Ragu. Wow. This is phenomenal. Let's just quickly try the Dolce de leche. Yes, very nice. Haagen-Dazs is better than Ben & Jerry's. It's better than any ice cream, in fact, but it's ridiculously overpriced for what it is. This should well and truly satisfy my sweet tooth for the foreseeable. A little bit later than I wanted to be eating this dessert. While I am eating away at this, which is absolutely delicious, by the way, very good shout. These are insane. Calories for the day, including this, we have got 6,080 calories consumed. Breakfast 1,200, lunch 1,627. Dinner was a big one. We had 2,355 calories. Mental. Snacks, aka this. Oh, I didn't put the mango in. Who cares? The mango wasn't put in, so it was more. Snacks, 898 calories. Protein, 181. Carbohydrates, 572. And fat, 288. Wow. And the funny thing is, I feel absolutely fine. I know I haven't eaten this yet, but as of tomorrow, we are back on the regular diet, the new training routine, and hopefully make some gains over the coming months into the winter. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next video.